Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the chapter linear inequalities. Up to class 10th, you solve the linear equation in one variable or two variable with the help of equal symbol. But now we have solved the real equations maybe in one variable or two with the symbol greater than, less than, or equals to, or less than equals to, or greater than equals to. Due to these symbols, it is called as the linear inequalities. Due to this symbol, it is called as the linear inequalities. Remember that. Now let us discuss with some example how to solve for the x. 3x minus 3 less than equals to 3x plus 1. It is given to you. So we kept x on the one side and the constant term on the other side. So we get 2x less than equals to 4, x less than equals to 2. If the statement provide that x is an integer, then your answer will be 1, 0, minus 1 and so on. If the statement say x is belongs to real number, then your answer is from 2 to infinity. In this case, I apply here open bracket. Open bracket means this value will not include 2. The value which is less than 2 or move up to the infinity, every value is accepted, not 2. If we say x is natural number, then only one answer, 1. If he say x is a whole number, then the answer is 0 and 1. If you see, all these three brackets are different and this one is different, because in this case the value less than 2 means 1.9, 1.99, 1.8, 1.7, 1.6, every value is acceptable. Due to that, it is written in the open bracket, and these curly bracket indicate we have to specify only this value, not other. Now the same question can be done in the another way. See this one, 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. Now first of all, add 3 to both side. Now add 3 to both side. Only 5x is left, 3x plus 4 is left. Now subtract 3x from both side. From larger value subtract the smaller value. We will get 2x here, we will get 4 here. Again you will get x is equals to 2. So the answer is same. There are the two different methods. You can adopt any one method to solve the equation. Now let us solve one more question. He say solve for real x. Solve for real x. Real, remember it is real. Now 5 minus 2x upon 3, x upon 6 minus 5. First of all, take the LCM of the equation. After LCM, this 2 multiplied with 5 minus 2x, you will get a linear equation in one variable. Shift the x on the one side and constant on the other side. Solve for x, you will get the solution x greater than 8 or equals to 8. Remember here, in this case it is equals to, your x should be greater than 8, means 9, 10, 11, 8.1, 8.2, 8.5, 10.5, any value can have. Due to that, return is 8 to infinity. We can never reach up to infinity, therefore we apply here open bracket with infinity. But there is a symbol of equality, due to that its bracket is closed. This is called as the closed bracket. Closed bracket means this value is include with it. Now see one more question on the same pattern. Solve for the x and show the graph of the solution on the number line. We have simplified the equation in the same manner by taking the LCM. After simplification, we get x greater than equals to 1. So on number line it is 1 to infinity. Again see, here is the symbol of equality, therefore 1 contained with closed bracket and infinity always contained with open bracket. When you draw on the number line, the two important things are about the number line. See, your result is from 1 to infinity. I mark a point on the 1 and move towards the infinity, which show by the dark arrowhead. You see, there is a symbol of equality. Therefore, at the one point, I have dark the circle. The same question I have solved, but without the symbol of equality. The result will be 1 to infinity. The same, only change in bracket. Here is the bracket open, here is the bracket close. Close due to symbol of equality, open due to not symbol of equality. When we draw, we have to take care. In case of open bracket, we mark the value here, but no need to dark that circle. It indicates that this value is not include. Value greater than this one will be include, not this one. This darkness of a circle and not darkness of a circle indicate these two things. This value is not involved and this value is involved. This is the difference between large bracket and this small bracket, or close bracket and open bracket. So take care, whenever the symbol of equality is there, you have to put the symbol of close bracket. Whenever symbol of open bracket is there, you have to symbol with the circle, but only circle there, no need to dark the circle.